Good morning, guys. It's now 8 in the morning. With our family is so cool. So happy holiday, guys. We are really happy to the work week already. Yep. Yeah, I've worked since Monday, and of course, yeah. And I figured I'd just start off the vlog by so you guys how much know because underground, as you can see, as got the let us know underground when I get on the grazing along the driveway, yep. And yeah, and you guys can still on my and 10 of my series exim video, yep. Oh yeah, it's the snow and someone got into the event from the outside. So don't know how that will affect the series for series exim or I don't know if the tenant will still work with that. But yeah. Yeah, I just gotta fix it down and okay, let's cut sort of belly up. Hopefully it won't fall down a bit closer, yeah. Yeah, I can see between for this morning because look at this. That's right. It's going 15 degrees in Toronto, and Southern Ontario today, yep, or it was yesterday, yep. Yep. And that's very warm for the Southern Ontarians, yep. Oh yeah. But right now it is 11 degrees over there. But yeah. So kudos to all the people in the Southern Ontario who are basking in the moment. Oh yeah. But yeah, but tea is only minus 3 degrees. And windy too. But yeah. But anyway, here in the backyard, we got a nice bit of snow on the in the backyard and the pail too, yep. Oh yeah. So it's 30 minutes snowy month overall, yep. Oh yeah, and I'm pretty happy with that, but yeah. But soon we'll be transitioning into spring weather, yep. Soon it'll be March already, yep. So we're only at the midway point of February, yep. So yeah, happy holiday, guys. Hope everyone enjoyed the work, yep. Oh yeah, awesome, and of course, yeah. And of course, yeah, but it's already nearly the afternoon time when I'm filming this, yep. Yep, so, yeah, so it's taking a little bit longer, this morning, yeah, I guess since I went to a bed, Billy, yeah, but I ended up going to bed by, I think it was 1 a.m., yep. Yeah, that was a bit later, yep. Oh yeah. So, it was nearly 10:30 when I got up. So there. But anyway, because I don't know what I'll end up doing today, yep. I might head on a walk this afternoon once with my work back and my warm gloves back too, yep. Oh yeah. But yeah, but I'm pretty sure I'll be relaxing toward the most of the day again, yep. At least I'll go on the walk away or right in town, but of course I do know that I will be in town on tomorrow and Friday for work. So yeah, but so by tomorrow morning I'll be get up early again, yep. Oh yeah. So yeah. But anyway, so not much to talk about now. Yep. So talk to you guys they are. Hi guys, they are in the sea now. Of course, as you can see, it heads up it. As you can see, the sun is further up. Yeah, out well. Sorry for the bad English. I have bit more up. Yeah, here the Josh is bigger now. Yeah, as you can see, we got lots of snow over here. Yep. Oh yeah. As you can see, the snow is pretty deep over here too. So I had to get my shoes and my boots and jeans ready bit. But yeah, but this one is till the speed that the snow melts up. So far I really am enjoying the day otherwise. Yep. Yep, I was home all morning and nearly all afternoon. So yeah. Yep. But I left home here was a half hour ago, so I left just at 3 o'clock. Yeah. And I decided to go to the old Ticketary, which is not too bad, yeah. Yeah, but of course, yeah, but this time I walk out my feet since I had walked in 2 days. Also, yep. But yeah, but it's also pretty windy too. Oh yeah. So yeah. So that being said, I'm just going to spend a few days over here, and then I'll be heading on back home. So I'll be home by around 4 or so, yep. Oh yeah. And the sun sets, I think, what is it, just at the 5 p.m. or, I think call at 5 by now, yep. Oh yeah. But yeah, so this is which is pretty good, yep. Yep. Yep, definitely enjoyed the recent knowledge, but for the show I'm looking forward to the spin though, yep. Oh yeah. We'll be back on 3 o'clock now, of course, yeah. And though it's currently the sun is still out there, yeah, as you can see the parking lot over here is all covered with snow, yep. And yeah, and the front spot is still snow covered also, yep. Oh yeah. But it's good to see the sun again at the companies. Yep. Oh yeah. So yeah, so overall the walk is going good. The toughest part of the walk though was walking along the trail from where all the toughest part was just completely snow covered. Yep. And the snow was up to near the near the what is it near the kneecap part of my feet. So that's really tough. But yeah, but now the snow still trying to melt off of my jeans and so even fell on my boots. But yeah, but at least it is much better than it was a few weeks ago, yeah. So there, but also feels good to be back walking now. So yeah. So of course, with that being said, I don't know if I was talking to guys in last or not, but after the show, I think I'll be heading on in town. Probably be heading over to Costco again, yep. But all of you guys about to get home. I won't take you with me in, but I just up to you guys at the end of the day, yep. Oh yeah. So I see you guys at home then. Alright guys, the end of the vlog now. So yeah, I'm back in my room now. Yeah. And overall, we did enjoy the day. Yep. I watched the film this being the following day again. Oh yeah, this is Thursday. Some way to work on and release the vlog after this clip. So yeah. So just really hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and yeah, I'll be back with another one too, which I'm nearly finished already. Yep. So just stay tuned for the that one too. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, and of course, I hope everyone enjoy the work week also. Yep. And and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So out.